In my last video, I talked to you about the importance of starting your day with a nutritious, balanced breakfast. But some of you were skeptical, so I had this idea. Imagine waking up to a serene, luxurious, spa-like experience right in your own kitchen. What if I told you that an indulgent breakfast could be packed with all the protein you need to start to fuel the rest of your day, and all without compromising taste or your precious time? Would you think I'm crazy? Well, get ready to start your mornings as if you were in a calm, luxurious spa, one delicious, protein-packed bite at a time. Hello everyone, welcome to Free Range Diva, and thank you so much for stopping by today. Yes, today I have 3 breakfast ideas that really align with mindful aging. You're not going to be scarfing down your food mindlessly. No, we're going to take some time. We're going to make even preparing your breakfast an event. Turn on some music. Make sure that you've got plenty of time in the morning to not only enjoy the food that you're preparing, but to enjoy the process of preparing it as well. Make sure you've got some sunlight coming in. If it's sunny, today it's not. We're having storms today, so seemed like a really good day to make something savory and warm for breakfast. So I'm going to start this video with something hot and savory. So the first recipe that I have for you is going to be for a savory Dutch baby pancake. Dutch babies are usually prepared sweet with fruits and powdered sugar and things, but sometimes in the morning you don't want anything sweet. You want something savory. So this particular recipe, the Dutch baby, is going to be flavored with fresh herbs. It's going to include roasted purple sweet potato and Chev goat cheese, some blistered tomatoes. Then after that, I'm going to prepare some baked pears, seasoned with flavors of the fall, so orange and cinnamon, and a little sprinkling of pistachio nuts. And for my third breakfast, I'm going to make something very light, very refreshing for those mornings where you maybe don't want a lot, but you do want to get a little protein in. I'm going to be making a parfait, a Greek yogurt parfait with macerated berries that have been macerated in orange juice, a little granola, and a few fresh berries on top. All right, let's jump into this. Start by blistering some cherry tomatoes in olive oil and a little garlic. Preheat your oven and your oiled skillet to 425 degrees. In a blender, combine eggs, flour, salt, milk, and melted butter. Let the batter rest for about 10 minutes, and while it's resting, grate some Parmesan cheese to mix in with the herbs. The preheated skillet has olive oil and butter in it so the batter won't stick. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes. you don't want to open the oven for the first 15 minutes that it's cooking. You'd like to check it or something. So I'm just going to sit here and wait. I have never made a true Dutch baby before. I've made, what would you call them? Like tarts and things, or I've made similar things, but I've never made a real Dutch baby, and I've certainly never made anything savory before. However, the smell of the herbs in the oven is delightful. And here it is, just out of the oven. It puffs up like a souffle, but as it cools, I believe it's going to go back down. Breakfast fit for a queen, or king, or prince or princess. If you're enjoying this video so far, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks, I'd really appreciate it. And let's keep going. So I just had it and I just about died on the first bite. It is so good. So many different flavors. You're getting protein from the eggs and the milk and the cheese. And then I blistered some tomatoes, some cherry tomatoes. They're all different colors, so they're yellow and orange and red and purple. And then the purple sweet potato is not as sweet as the yams that we're accustomed to. It still has that flavor, but it's not nearly as sweet, and it's got more of an earthy note to it. Perfect with this. I also had some avocado to the side. And the goat cheese. Can't forget the goat cheese. So this is going to be on repeat. This is like the perfect Saturday morning, slow morning breakfast where you can take your time. I mean, it took me about an hour and a half to put it together, but that's because I was filming. On just an average day, you could get it done in under an hour, even with the bake time, because you really don't have to let it cool very much at all. You can start to serve it right out of the pan. So yeah, savory, herbal Dutch baby for the win. First, you'll want to roast the pears. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Slice a bit off the bottom of each pear so it will sit up straight in the dish. In a separate bowl, add orange peel, the juice from half the orange, apple cider, cinnamon, cardamom, and a little butter. Roast for 45 minutes, covered for the first 30 minutes, then uncover and baste the pears before roasting for the last 15 minutes. Once they were done and cooled, I made a reduction of the poaching liquid on the stovetop and added some balsamic vinegar for a sauce to pour over the pears. This was so tasty. Finish with a sprinkling of fresh thyme, chopped pistachios, and enjoy. Mash the berries with the orange juice and set aside. In a tall glass, layer the yogurt, fruit, and granola. Garnish with fresh berries and fresh herbs. Take your time and make it pretty. When you are enjoying your breakfast, I want to give you a few mindful eating tips, which is to slow down, savor each bite, and try to really be present with your food and the moment. This was the key change to my eating habits that helped me conquer reflux this past year. Whenever you're cooking in your kitchen, always think about some of the extras that can kind of elevate the flavor, like fresh herbs. Basically, just try to put yourself into a calm environment and really think about the good thing that you're doing, that this is self-care because you are nurturing your body and giving it everything it needs to carry you through your day. Because even a small shift in your morning routine can lead to profound results in your overall well-being. So, how about making yourself one spa-worthy breakfast this week? And let me know how it goes. So what did you think? Was this video interesting? Do you think you might want to try one of these spa-worthy breakfasts? If so, which one? Gosh, baby! Let me know in the comments below. All the recipes will be linked in the description. The last one is mine, so I will write that out for you in the description below so you can copy it if you want to try it. It's pretty easy. All right, everybody, thank you so much for watching today. Share your thoughts in the comments, give this video a big thumbs up, and if you want to see more from me and you haven't subscribed yet, then please consider subscribing. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss a thing here at Free Range Diva, and I will talk to you again very, very soon. Bye!